Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Naz, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm really excited. I got to do this makeup look. All I'm really missing is blush. I basically completed my entire makeup look and just missing that touch of a nice color on the face, and for that I am so excited to review the new Patrick Ta blush duos. So I believe these are his major headlines collection, and I was browsing through Sephora and I saw these in their what's new section and I was so excited and I had to order them. So I'm going to start out by doing this makeup look and I'll fast forward the makeup, but just wanted to show you guys all the products I used. So if you did stop here just for the review of these products, I'll make sure to leave a timestamp below so you can skip all the makeup look. But without further ado, let's get into it. right, let's add some color to the face. I feel like I am naked when I don't have blush on. It's crazy how much I feel like blush changes your face. So these are the new blush duos from Patrick Ta, and I have two shades. I have xoxo LA and I also have Do We Know Her, and the packaging is very good quality. It really does feel like a high-end product, which I appreciate for the price tag. Here is xoxo LA, and this I thought was a very unique color, and it doesn't look like anything I have on my collection. It almost looks like a bronzer shade, but for the summer I think it would be very good to just use it overall on the cheeks as well. It does have this little cover up, which is pretty cool. I think Natasha Denona products also have this if they have a cream with a powder product, so that it doesn't get into the cream product. Then the other shade I picked up was Do We Know Her, and this one is a really nice corally pink. I thought it looks a little bit more red in the picture online than when I actually look at it, but I think it's still a very, very nice color, so I'm excited to try this. First, I'm going to swatch this for you guys, just so you can see what it looks like. Going to go ahead and swatch the xoxo LA. Oh wow, that's actually not as brown as I thought it would be. So here is xoxo LA, and this is the cream, and then here is the powder. So it actually doesn't look that brown. So I think that would be very good on the cheeks. So just to show you guys a comparison, I swatched the Hoola bronzer next to it, just so you can see that this is the Hoola and this is the xoxo LA by Patrick Ta. And it really doesn't look like a contour shade or a bronzer shade. It's a very nice, unique, reddish, brownish type of blush, so I'm really excited for that. Okay, so then next I'm going to swatch the Do We Know Her shade. I believe there are two more shades in this collection, and the other ones just seem too pink for me, and I usually like more of a corally shade, so this one called out my name a lot more. So just going to swatch this one for you guys. And the powder. The powder feels very, very soft and silky, so I can tell that it's going to be a good quality blush. So here's the cream in Do We Know Her, and then the powder. So it definitely swatches more pink than I would actually like. I think what I'm going to do is do the one side with Do We Know Her and then do the other side with xoxo LA. Right now, all I have on the cheeks is really just a contour. I don't even have a highlighter on because I wanted to see how reflective this blush is. So in his video, he actually, when he's applying this product to the model, he actually recommends going in with the powder first and then applying the cream on top to really pop the color, which I would always do the other way around. So I would always put the cream on and then put the powder to kind of set it in place. So that was very interesting, I thought, but why not try it? He's the creator of the product, so I trust that he knows the best way to apply it. So I'm going to first go in with this powder, and then we're going to apply it to this cheek right here. So a really nice pinky shade. Definitely more pink undertone than red. And then he actually uses a sponge for the cream, so he dips his sponge right into the product. The mirror in here is also very, very nice, so it would be good to travel with as well. Yeah, I definitely like that application. The cream definitely feels very, very soft on the skin. And it reflects. I mean, I don't have highlighter on and I can tell that it is really reflecting the light. So wow guys, I really like that. Now the other side, I'm going to go in with xoxo LA. And again, I'm going to start out with the powder. So again, that looks more pink than brown. That is a very unique color. And then I'm going to dip into the cream. So yeah, again, with this one, it is very reflecting. Definitely advice that if you use it the same way. I do really like the cream on top of the powder. I think it does give a nice, almost makes it look more natural and skin-like rather than just a powder on top. So here is Do We Know Her? And here is She's So LA. They both look like the same shade. So that is very interesting. I mean, they definitely look different on the pan, but on the skin, I can't even tell the difference. Do you need all the shades? I don't think so. I think you could just pick one and pass on the rest. It almost looks like they're all pink undertones anyway. They might look very similar on the skin. So overall, I do really like the product and how it feels on the skin and how it looks on the skin. So I would say if you like Patrick Ta products, or if you haven't tried Patrick Ta yet and you were looking for trying his blushes, I would say pick up these instead of the other blushes he did come out with earlier, because I think with this one you get powder and you get cream. Unless you really don't like cream, then get the other blushes because you'll get more product for your money. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I upload every single week and would love to get some support from you guys. So see you all in my next video. Bye!